thank you for everything that you've done, for all the good things that you shared with us, for from the very beginning since I was young. You always know that you've been my idol, and I've been looking up to you as a great person, a great daughter, a great mother, a great wife. And we wish you all the best in life. And sana ma-inspire mo pa kaming lahat for doing good and for being a good servant. And again, we thank you. We owe you a lot. I owe you a lot of emails and a lot of stories. Makakabawi din kami sa'yo. And may God always bless you and your family. Again, we love you and we miss you, Tita Malu. Happy birthday, Tita Malu!